Hello, welcome to my sewing channel. My name is Delilah, and today is hashtag Friday Sews. So, like a Friday show and tell, sew and tell type thing. So today I am going to share with you some fabric that I got, some new fabric. I'll show you the progress that I'm making on this pattern and just kind of share with you, I'm making a dress for my mom. Okay, so I am so excited to show you. I started this one. It's McCall's 7969. And you guys, I'm loving the sleeves so much. Let me show you if I can find. Oh, here we go. I'm putting together a sew along for this one. So I will be posting it on Wednesday. Oh, and then this last Wednesday, I did a sew and tell on my dress. So that one right there. So if you haven't checked that one out, go ahead and check that one out. It is the Dress Belle by Ellie and Mac. And it's just a super easy dress. So I did a full sew along on that one. Okay, but I'm gonna show you the sleeves. The sleeves are just my favorite. And so it's still in progress, but here is one of the sleeves. So I love the sleeve so far. That is just my favorite part. So, and then see the fabric that I'm using. So that is gonna come along really nicely. And again, that is this pattern right here. Okay, so then I also made my daughter this really cute cheetah tank top. It's made out of the Sweetie Pie pattern. So all I did is the Sweetie Pie pattern is actually a dress, but I raised the waist. So I just folded it. See how it's like this? I folded it like that and then I cut it. And so it makes it do like a cute flare out. And that one was just super easy to do. And then obviously, you know, I love color blocking. So I made her this color block shirt just out of a raglan pattern that I have. I'll put the description below. And I just love the stripes with the floral. And that floral fabric is actually, my oldest daughter left just a bunch of clothes. She abandoned a tank top. And so I just cut that half of it and paired it with the striped fabric. So I love that one too. I just love raglan shirts are so much fun to mix and match the different fabrics together. I think it's just so much fun. Okay, and then my mom, I'm going to make a dress for her. So I've been wearing, you know, all these dresses and she's just been really liking them. So she wants me to make this one and I'm gonna make it the full length down. I'm gonna add the tier to it. Let's see, and do the sleeves, like a baggy, cute sleeve. And then see these are the designs in the back. So I made my maxi dress. There's the one that I made using this pattern, which I love. So I'm gonna add pockets to it, but I'm gonna make it the long sleeve version with a little tie in the back. So I'm going to get started on this one this weekend. And I guess now would be the perfect time to show you the fabric that I bought. Let me get it. Okay, so we originally were thinking of, oh wait, but did we just, okay, so I took a picture because the other day she came over and she was, you know, putting the fabric up to her skin. And we originally wanted this one. I love, see the tiny little floral. This is a cotton poplin, which I've never sewn with this before. It is a lighter fabric from fabric.com. So that's one potential for the dress. Then we got this one, and I love this one. Is just so summery. I've sewn with it. I made my daughter a shirt, but it's really lightweight rayon. See, isn't that just so perfect for summer? Okay, I love this one. So that's another potential. And then this one, I love this fabric because it's like a crinkle rayon. And this is the type of fabric that I used when I made my maxi dress using that pattern. And see, I just love that. And it's got like a little bit of a stretch to it. Well, probably just because it's more crinkly. But so there's this one. And so out of those three, and I'll show you which one we decided on. So there's this one, and then that one right there. And so for my mom, we decided to go with this one. So I am very excited to make this dress for her. I'm hoping that I do a good job. You know, when I sew for other people, it's like, oh, the pressure's on. So we'll see, but I'm going to get started on this one this weekend, and I'm just going to work on it, and I'm not going to move on to other projects. I got to get this done. So, you know, not a whole lot going on this week, but I'm actually relieved of that, because for a while I was trying to do so many things and sew up so many things, and my mind was just going over here, and then half of it was over here. And so now I'm just kind of like simplifying my projects and doing just one thing at a time. So I got my t-shirt on that says "Sewing Mends the Soul," and so I love that. But but does it mend the back? I mean, my back has been hurting a lot. And so it just is kind of like a reminder that I need to keep moving. And so I've been going hiking, and just the shoes hitting the pavement really is good for my soul as well. So I have been putting a limit on how much I sew, because it becomes an obsession. I get like that. I love my hobbies. In fact, is there anyone here that crochets? Because I'll get on a crocheting kick as well, where all I want to do is crochet. I wake up in the morning, I just crochet, and then at night I just do the same. And so I'll get in these moods where my hobby will just kind of take over. So I've put a limit on my sewing. I actually don't know yet what the limit is, but there will be one. There's a plan to regulate how much I sew, but I'm still, you know, gonna be posting my videos twice a week. So, but I just am gonna be doing other stuff as well. Okay, when I just gotta let you guys know, when I shoot a video early in the morning, I can tell a difference than when I shoot it in the evening. Because right now I'm doing it in the morning, and my coffee hasn't really kicked in yet. And so I'm just like, boo, like kind of dragging. But stick with me. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to cut that part out of the video. What am I doing? Okay, so I'm drinking more coffee, and I'm, you know, starting to feel amazeballs. I'm sorry, hopefully some of you guys can relate. I have to have a little bit of coffee. And hey, now you have a new word of the day. I challenge you to use the word amazeballs today. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Oh, also make sure that you check out all the other videos that are participating in the hashtag Friday Sews. Just go ahead and put that in the search bar. And then you can just kind of get to know all the sewers here on YouTube. So it's kind of fun. So until next time, happy sewing. Bye, guys.